There it is. The Mars Landing Air Max 90. Hey guys, we're back with another video, and I'm pretty excited about this one. Here's the box. Just got here today. Let's get right into it. I'm pretty excited. Ever so gently. There it is. Alright, it's open. It is open. Here we go. Don't need that. There it is. There it is. The Nike Air Max Mars Landing. You ready? There's that. Alright, let's see. I am so excited to finally have it. There it is. The Mars Landing Air Max 90. I like it. Wow. So you see the Mars picture all around. I like the feel of it. Oh my goodness. Alright, so you see there's a silver Nike Air back here. There's the bubble. Oh, here are the extra shoelaces. That was pretty neat. The black. A darker orange to match the upper. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This feels great. I have to check something out, guys. I have to check it out. I didn't believe people when they told me this, but let's see. You guys ready? What? Wow. That is amazing. So it has a translucent sole, which is beautiful. I love it. You can see that little layer right there. I love how they matched the bubble right here. They matched the bubble to be gray. So it looks really, really nice. This is all 3M right here, these speckles. So it's covered what seems like a reflective material. I am digging this. I cannot wait for summertime to rock these. These are magnificent. You can see the 2 Nike swoosh signs. There's one right here. See that right there? And the other one is right there, along with the Air Max symbol. And there it is. Oh, I want to introduce you guys to somebody. Hold on. This little guy is Stanley. Alright, Stanley, let's go. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Air Max Mars Landing. I'll tell you guys, this I'm glad I copped because it's sold out. It sold out so quick. Alright guys.